Hey, what's up everybody? Wanted to do another quick review on this lunchbox I picked up here about 2 months or so ago. The one I had was starting to wear out, so I decided to go ahead and make a switch. I'm glad I did because this one fits everything that I need it to be. So starting off, it's got this side pocket, like a netting side pocket to put things in, whether dry food, other utensils, whatever. It's got a nice big front pocket on it, which is awesome, again, for utensils or whatever the case may be. The material is nice and sturdy. However, it's not a hard case. It is like a soft case, which is awesome. That's something I was looking for. The zippers are also extremely sturdy. No binding, anything like that. It's easy to open, easy to close. It's got a nice handle on the lid, so carrying something light is easier to use. It does, however, come with a shoulder strap. It's a padded shoulder strap, so it makes it super easy to carry if you got a heavy load. The inside of it is insulated, so it does keep things cooled all day long. I can put a big piece of Tupperware in there, no issues. If you wanted, maybe if I want to put pop in there, 6-pack of pop, maybe some other drinks, it's got plenty of room to do so. And last but not least, we've got a pocket right here as well. So maybe if you want to put another ice pack in here to keep things even cooler yet, then it's got the capability. Again, I just wanted to share my thoughts on this and hopefully help somebody else out.